Hello everyone, today I will show you how to measure distance with perimeter scale in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this measure option. Click on this down arrow and this perimeter option. Now click on this PDF file and measure this one and see this. And I'll increase this border size, kind of short, and this perimeter area 59.9, and this is same scale. You can see this border color, gray, and this border style also you can change if you want. I'll make it solid and see this. Also I'll increase this one, so this one, and see this. And since color, in this you can measure any area or a specific portion. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.